Hello everyone, welcome back to the Token Minds training series. Today we'll break down how to use social media as a structured growth engine to build real traction before your Web3 launch, not just surface level visibility. So this session focuses on momentum before launch day. We'll cover how to build awareness, trust, and a real community through coordinated workflows, and how to create a scalable social system that reduces launch risk instead of increasing it. RADA Foundation is a blockchain powered football crowdfunding platform. Instead of treating community building as a random posting, they transform it into a continuous, data driven growth process. Through a strategic partnership with David Villa, they gain credibility. Before launch, they built thousands of engaged followers and created launch ready momentum. Most Web3 projects launch without a real audience. There are no followers, no interaction, and no credibility. Fundraising suffers, valuation drops, and exchange negotiation disappears. So exchange fees can exceed $50,000, yet marketing budgets burn with no traction. When launch day comes, momentum is weak and token price collapse quickly. Reddit started from zero followers in a crowded Web3 market. They implemented a structured content calendar with weekly production batches. Three content pillars were defined: football, Web3 technology, and Reddit product features. So daily passes followed consistent purple and blue branding with educational, mission driven messaging. The result was daily visibility, strong brand recognition, and an educated audience before IEO. Followers alone were not enough. RADA needed active participants. They ran 2 to 3 giveaways per month with reward pools between $50 and $300. Twitter MMAs with partners, theme campaigns, and daily engagement shifted the community from passive observers to active contributors. Telegram grew rapidly, and cross community exposure increased across networks. Red has secured a partnership with David Villa, a globally recognized football legend from Barcelona. The campaign rolled out in phases, including quote graphics, behind the scenes storytelling, and coordinated posting timing. This created viral engagement, media coverage, and a strong credibility boost. The partnership became narrative fuel, expanding reach beyond Web3 into the football audience. Reddit converted followers into contributors. They launched polls for best player and rookie player votes. They created branded interactive graphics and community debates. Public results sharing amplified visibility and fueled ongoing discussion loops. Interactive posts increased engagement, which increased algorithm rates, leading to organic growth and stronger emotional ownership. Before the campaign, there were zero followers, no daily engagement, no visibility, and weak launch readiness. But after execution, Reddit built over 5,300 organic Twitter followers, an active Telegram community, and high daily engagement. The secure listings on Probit, Bitmart, and Coinstore. Community momentum translated directly into successful IEO positioning and stronger exchange leverage. Across more than 30 token launches, one pattern is consistent: early traction creates leverage. This requires content infrastructure with professional calendars and branded visuals. It also requires a community growth engine built on giveaways, MMAs, and daily engagement management. And it requires partnership momentum through strategic announcements and coordinated campaigns. Token Minds delivers end-to-end social campaigns designed to build the community your launch needs. So thank you for watching and see you in the next training video.